aluminum, all right, for Anthony Rose. All right, you need a 4-inch suction cup. I mean, that's if your heating pads don't work out right. 4-inch suction cup, your lock line. Take this board off and attach a variable temp heat gun with duct tape or pipe clamp or something. Okay, and you want to, and you'll have to do it like this. You want this with a concentrator tip. They come with tips. This doesn't have a tip on it. Works okay though, works fine for me, okay? About 6 inches from the dent, okay? That's the setup, not a big deal. Now for aluminum. Okay, you want to stay at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. You get 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, or possibly longer. That's a long time. Okay, that's just to get it started, to get the bottoms out of you know, because you don't really need heat on aluminum all the time. All right, at 195 to 205, you can go.
It's not like there wasn't a toilet there.
Approximately 20 minutes. Okay, 210 to 220, approximately 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. To 30 to 240. Approximately about 5 minutes. Okay? 250 is max. 250 degrees Fahrenheit is maximum. You get 45 seconds. That's it. That's all you get. That's cumulative. So if you stop the heat, turn it off, do whatever, let it cool down, do some hammering, okay, or something like that. You have to keep track of your time at 250 degrees. Something that nasty, in my opinion, these are the times and temperatures. You're really only going to need this. If it's going to require something more than this, you know what, you ain't getting paid enough. I'm probably more than likely you ain't getting paid enough. Because this is a lot of screwing around, okay? Especially at your level right now. This is the one you want to be concerned with right here. It's going to give you the most amount of time. It's going to do the most. You'll be able to watch the stuff shrink. Now, most important, never hammer a hot panel, because you will fracture the paint. And it's really ugly. I know I did it. Okay? So all your hammering, just as you've already learned, is always done first, then you heat the panel, and then you start pushing, and you leave the heat on. Leave it on. That's why you have these times. Get yourself some gloves. If you're on a hood, get yourself some gloves, because everything's going to get hot. Cut any nearby, any glue nearby within about 4 to 6 inches, cut it. Okay, because it will have an effect with how the aluminum will shrink up. But you will see your dent get smaller as that panel heats up. It's bizarre. I don't know if you ever knew this temperature, but use your laser thermometer and you're done. But leave the heat